In this video, we're going to learn how to use the CHOOSEROWS function. The CHOOSEROWS function is similar to the CHOOSECOLS function in the fact that it will return a specified row or rows of data from an array. So I'll start here in cell A16, for example. I'll say equal choose rows, there it is, tab it in. I have several arguments here, array, row num1, etc. The first one's array, so I want to choose the array from which I want the rows to be returned. So I'll go ahead and go from A5 to C13. Next is row num1, so whatever row I want returned. And again, this works from top to bottom in your array, counting the first row being number 1, then 2, then 3, and it can be any order I want returned. So I could do row 3 with Thompson here. I put a 3 here. Close it out, and I'm going to have Thompson's entire row from my array returned. I could have a whole bunch of rows returned as well. I could say row 3, we could also do row 2 and then row 1. Again, push enter, and there I have the CHOOSEROWS function.